I don't normally do product reviews on this channel, but I bought this the other day and I've used it, so I thought I would give it a quick review. I bought this myself. I'm not getting paid by Chef's Choice. It's just a simple little device which works really well. So it's a knife sharpener, and I've used knife sharpeners in the past, the ones that have the metal wheels or the metal parts where you pull the knife over the top of them, and they've never worked really well. But my knives were getting a little bit blunt, and my sharpening stone that I have was past its best, so I need to get another sharpening stone. But I was in Walmart and I saw this. I think it was $7, $6.50, something like that, and I thought, what have I got to lose? I'll give it a go. And it actually works really, really well. It's not metal teeth in there. I think it's actually like a grinding stone in there, and you can hear that when I pull the blade over it. And then you hone it afterwards. So I think it puts two different shaped edges on there, and that's all you need to do to turn your dull knives into a really, really sharp edge. And obviously, it goes without saying, a sharp knife is an essential tool in any kitchen. And I always remember a friend of mine who was a butcher said, you never cut your finger on a sharp knife. It's always the blunt knives, because you have to apply more pressure. And I think with this little device, the Chef's Choice sharpening tool, you're going to have a sharp knife. How long it's going to last, I don't know. I don't know how big the sharpening stone is inside there. It may only last for 50 or whatever sharpens. I don't know. That time will tell. But I really think it's a nice little tool to have in your kitchen.